the Rocking Tcherkessia. Now the Rocking Tcherkessia, it's weird, but once you get it down, it's really quite fun. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to grab my center bowl to represent the center of the circle. So it's easier to imagine me dance with other people. So let me see, just like that. So I'll just show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you how to do it. Oh, so this is an 8-beat move. So it's usually done to a fast-paced song, but it kind of slows itself down while you're doing it. Because usually if the beats is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that's what it looks like. So if you're doing so if the beat is 1, 2, 3, 4, then you're doing Mayans like that, then all of a sudden it kind of looks like you're doing a slower move, but you're just kind of chopping up a regular Tcherkessia and dragging it out, basically. So with a Rocking Tcherkessia, it looks like this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I love this move. It's a lot of fun to do, especially once you get it down, because it can be confusing at first. Because if you're doing a fast-paced song, you kind of automatically expect all the moves to be fast, but that's not necessarily true. Usually they'll throw in a move kind of like this one that kind of slows everything up, but has the same, I don't even know how to describe it, but it works with the song, and it's just different than the rest of the moves that you are used to. But this is how you do it. So, like a regular Tcherkessia, it starts with the right foot, and then comes back with the left, right back, and then left back to home center. But instead of one, except when you're stepping down, with any one of those 4 moves, you're bouncing on it once. So you're essentially stepping twice on each of those. So that's why it's an 8-beat overall move. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's a Rocking Tcherkessia. And we'll do it again. So just so you can get the feel for it and whatnot. So it's just right, hop, left, hop, right, hop, left, hop. Do it again. Right, hop, left, hop, right, hop, left, hop. So, and usually it's a little faster than that, because for a slow song, with a bouncy feel like that, it doesn't work with a slow song. So that's where you usually see that in a faster song. Because it feels kind of like a stalling move, because if you're doing a regular Tcherkessia, that's a lot smoother than, that type of thing. But if you're doing a faster song, that kind of allows you to breathe just a little bit until, you kick off again with faster moves. So we'll do it again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then right back, left. Do it again. Right in, left, right, then left. Do it again. Right in, left, right. I'll pick up the pace a little. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Do it again. Right, left, right. Faster. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And there you go. That's a Rocking Tcherkessia. Thank you for watching this Tcherkessia dance tutorial video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them in the comment section below or send me an email. I would love to hear from you. Now, if there's a Tcherkessia that I have not put into this Tcherkessia series, please let me know. I would love to make a video for you explaining how to do it. And if there's a type of Tcherkessia that I did not put into this Tcherkessia series, please let me know. I want to make sure that you are comfortable on the dance floor with every type of Tcherkessia possible. I want you to be the best that you can be. So thank you for watching, and until next time, go forth in the dance.